Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So I'm actually abroad again. I am in Thailand again. So I came here because I went to a 2-day festival. I went to Transmission, which was 1 day of trance, and then Hard Mission, which was all hardstyle, my favorite. Oh my god, I danced so much. It was so much fun. I'm still kind of sore, but yeah, today I'm going to meet my Thai friends who I actually met the last time I was here in Thailand. So they have a car, they're gonna show me around, and I figured I would vlog today. Today would be a good day to vlog. It looks like it's not raining out, it's kind of sunny. So I will take you guys along with me to my day here in Thailand. So I took a taxi to go up north to meet my friends. They picked me up in their car and then we went to Starbucks. So I got a matcha oat latte. I've been really into matcha these days. I was really happy to see my friends again, and honestly, I just felt so lucky to be shown around by locals because I would not be able to do all this by myself. So we stopped by this restaurant for lunch. It was right by the water, so you can see all the boats passing by, and they had a lot of options. So it was kind of hard to choose, but I got their veggie pad thai, which was mad good. Hi!
Oh, so good. Really good. Wow. So big. This is used for boat. Oh my god. So big.
Now, wrote these lyrics on my phone, better than being alone. Maybe I can save my soul. It's time now. Switch it up, switch it up, switch it up for a while. Switch it up, switch it up.
The final look. So we went back into the car to go to the next location. I think I was overheating at this point, especially in that dress, but it was definitely worth it. It looks like this place is a lot bigger and I see a lot more people here. Oh, pretty!
Yeah.
Oh, I like that. Oh, you're so good at taking photos. Wow. Oh, it's big. I bought some coconut water to keep me hydrated. We dropped off our dress rentals and then we are on our way to the floating market. So now we are at the floating market. So for foreigners it's 200 baht, but if you are Thai then it's free. So just keep that in mind if you want to come here. Oh my god!
So big.
So big! Whoa! Wanna do some too? like they also have some elephants here. I won't ride on them, but I'll check it out for a bit. Oh my gosh.
Oh, you just have a hiker.
Oh, elephants. I got a coconut smoothie for 50 baht. Now I'm gonna feed an elephant. Oh, it's so cute.
The whole thing?
So cute. I want to free you. Delicious. So refreshing. After the market, we went to a really beautiful cafe that was in the middle of nowhere. It was huge and it had a really nice view. So I ordered the Thai lemon iced tea that was pretty sweet and had a really nice tea flavor. We took some pics for the gram and then we went to Central Lad Pral Mall because my friends knew of a really good salad place there. And after a week of eating a lot, this was perfect. It was so fresh and the avocado, oh my god, it was so good. Okay, so I just checked into my next hotel. It's not bad. It's not like amazing, but it was so cheap and it's right by Nana Station, so it's super convenient. Today was so much fun. Oh my gosh, my friends are so nice. They drove me around everywhere. They showed me so many great places. We had nice food and I took a lot of photos too. So I said goodbye to them and now I am here. So I'm just gonna chill here for a while. I'm pretty exhausted from walking around all day. So I will end the vlog here. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time. Bye.